Hello, today I'm in Toyota Avensis. In this video I'll show you how to use rear wiper. To activate rear wiper in your car, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Twist the top part of the lever upwards to use rear wiper. While the rear wiper is enabled, you can also use rear sprinklers with rear wiper. In order to do it, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel again, twist it upwards and hold. To disable rear wiper, set it to 0 position. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.